everyone, and welcome back to Joys It Flies. If you're new here, my name's Cassidy and I deal with the sewing side of this channel. So recently I was commissioned to sew some adult sized bibs for someone with special needs, and whilst I was making them I thought actually this would be a brilliant tutorial for me to give you, because when I was doing some research online seeing what was the general design and shape of ones that will sell, I saw quite a few reviews, comments, things like that being left by people saying, is there a PDF pattern available? And so I thought, brilliant, I'll do a free PDF pattern for people. Now the PDF pattern I've created is for an adult size bib because that was what I was commissioned. I'll leave the exact measurements somewhere on the screen here, but it will be so easy to be able to scale it down into different sizes if you want to do it for a smaller child, if you want to just make the bib smaller, if you want to adjust it anyway. It's really simple. And so without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So here's a quick list of everything you're going to need to make the bibs. Now all you're going to need is two different types of fabric. One for the outside, and that can just be a plain cotton, a polyester, anything of that sort. And now the second one is you're going to need some sort of toweling fabric for the back. And I have a little tip to save money for you, which is what I have done. So when I was looking for some toweling fabric, I went to a couple of different places and it was quite expensive. And so eventually my mother came up with a solution. She found on IKEA, they sell, this one's going to sound crazy, but in IKEA they sell towels for £2 each. As you can see, if you bought this for an actual towel, I think you'd be quite disappointed, but it's just a thin toweling fabric that would work perfectly for a bib. So if you want a cheaper option, you can buy a towel for £2 and it would work perfectly for the size of one bib. Next thing you're going to need on the list is some press studs, and then just your general sewing equipment, and then the pattern, which we will get more into now. So if you follow the first link that's in the description, that will take you to our website, which has the downloadable PDF pattern on it. All you're going to need to do is download the PDF pattern, print it off at 100% scale, and then you can assemble it and cut out your pattern, and we're all ready to go and cut it out of the fabric. All you need to do is cut one of your bib pieces out of your toweling and out of your cotton fabric. So place your toweling fabric and your cotton fabric right sides together, and then you're going to want to pin them together. So just pin around all of the edges, neckline, outside, everywhere. And then sew all of the way around your bib, but on one of the sides you're going to want to leave a gap so that we can turn it right sides out later on. Then you can clip the corners, and at any of the curved edges you're just going to want to snip into the seam allowance. Make sure you don't cut your seam, just right into the seam allowance, because it's going to help it sit flat when it's turned right sides out. Once you've done that, with the help of that gap we left in our sewing, you can turn your bib right sides out, and make sure you poke all of the corners out. Then give your bib a good press flat with your iron, and at that gap in the sewing, you're just going to want to fold over the seam allowance so that there's no raw edges, and just press it flat. Then over sew all of the way around your bib. Now the last thing to do is to sew two press studs onto either side of the neckline, and on your paper pattern you'll see that there are two markings for where you're going to sew them. And that is your bib all done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but as always, if you have any questions about anything, please feel free to drop them down below in the comments and I will do my best to answer you. Also, I would love some suggestions for some sewing projects you would like me to do, some patterns you would like me to release. I'm always happy to have suggestions. It gives me ideas. And so with that, I will see you next time on the channel. Bye!